Hi guys, today I will be opening 5 Match Attax packs, and if you want to check out the previous video that I had made last week, there will be a box that you can click to it. And without further ado, let's open our first Match Attax. And let's see, can we have a good start? Oh yes, we do have a man of the match. Our first player, we have Richardson from Aston Villa. Oh, Hugo Lloris, a very decent goalkeeper this year, who plays for Tottenham Hotspur. Our third player, we have Joe Cole. Our fourth player, we have Steve Sitwell. And our last player, we have Mani, who plays for Burnley. Alright. So to our second pack. Let's see, can we have a good player? And yes, we have the man himself, David Beckham, a very, very good penalty or free kicker. Alright, David Beckham. We have Willian, who plays for Chelsea. We have Arnholt. Wisdom. Alright, maybe he's pretty smart by his name. And the last player, we have the youngster Flanagan. Alright. So our third pack, let's see, can we have a decent player? Alright. So we have Baird, who plays for West Bromwich. We have Farland from Queen's Park Rangers. Oh, 2 legends in a row. Dennis Bergkamp, who plays for Arsenal, I believe. Yeah, Arsenal. Record breaker. And a Newcastle badge. It's my first time to get these kind of badges, which is sick. And the last card, oh my gosh, this is just the best pack. 3 out of 5 good players. Yeah. We have Rose Barkley, who is bronze limited edition. Alright, that is just sick. Hang on, I need to put these cards, the special cards, in a row. To our fourth pack, let's see, can we have some man of the matches? Wait. We have Phil Jones, who plays for Manchester United. Sanders, alright. Clint Hill, who plays for Queen's Park Rangers. And Per Mertesacker, who is a German who plays for Arsenal. I believe he isn't that good this year. I mean, I saw him getting injured and on the bench sometimes. And the last midfield duo is Lawson and Gomez. Alright. To our last pack. Let's see, can we have a 90 rare player again, just like Hugo Lloris. And our first card, we have Home Advantage. We have Kevin Nolan, who plays for West Ham. Cattermole. Alright. Our fourth player, we have Joe Cole, who is another duplicate from Aston Villa. And our last player is the Argentinian defender Fernandez. Sorry. Yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please like this video and also subscribe if you're new. And I will make more Match Attax videos in the future. And I will see you guys next time.